Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. General knowledge MCQ test number 3. The main constitution of LPG gas, liquefied petroleum gas, methane, ethane, propane, butane. The correct answer is butane. Basically, LPG is liquefied petroleum gas which is used for heating purpose and mostly consists of mixture of hydrocarbon gases. And sometimes propane and butane are also used, sometimes used or alone in this mixture, and small amount of other hydrocarbon are also present in petroleum LPG. Other hydrocarbons which are also present, propane is also present but small amount, and butane is also present, is used in warm climate. Isobutene is used in refrigerator, is also present, and butadiene is also present in LPG, but like the main ingredient is butane. Which of the following disease is caused by virus? Two types of diseases mostly are on the basis of causes. Virus causes or bacteria causes. And as concern of the following disease, COVID is a virus caused disease. COVID. COVID is a pandemic and first time observed in Wuhan, China, December 2019, and declared as pandemic in 11th March 2020. And as concerned with the COVID name, 19 is considered the year which was started or identified, and V for virus, ID identification, and CO virus. Which waterfall is the highest in the world? Iguzula, Victoria, Angel, Niagara. Answer Angel Fall. Angel Fall is highest waterfall, and basically the waterfall is named after Jimmy Angel. 1899, an American aviator explored this. In 1933, while flying over the Grand Saban, he spotted that this fall and attempted to the land on this place, and but like the aircraft become stuck in the muddy terrain. Therefore, 11 days not returned to the civilization, and this time first time discovered the Angel Fall, and now presented in Ciudad Bolivar Airport. The plane remained on 33 years, is now preserved at Ciudad Bolivar Airport. Which European country has the most island? Very important question. The Sweden. Sweden has most number of islands. Sweden is has a hotel made ice, a very famous, that the ice hotel near Kiruna rebuilt every winter. Highest number of McDonald's per capita in Europe is Sweden, but it has one of the highest density of McDonald's restaurant. The Swedish flag, blue with yellow cross, dates from 16th century, and Sweden comes 18 million cups of coffee daily. Sweden 18 million cups of coffee daily consumed, second only to Finland in coffee consumption per capita. Father's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday of November in Sweden. Sweden has 30,000 plus islands and most of them uninhabited. Sweden has 13,000 plus islands but most of that uninhabited. The world first long distance hiking trail, 440 kilometers, yeah, 273 miles through Lapland, Volvo, was founded in 1926. The name I roll in Latin. Sweden's highest mountain is Kebnekaise, is shrinking due to glacier melt after climate change. Pippi Longstocking creator Astrid Lindgren has children's hospital named after her in Stockholm. These are the main important features of Sweden. Sweden has highest number of McDonald's in Europe. Sweden has a blue with yellow cross flag. Second, Sweden consumed 18 million cups of coffee. Father Day is celebrated on second Sunday of November, and Sweden has 13,000 plus islands. The first long distance hiking trail is also included in Sweden. name is Kungsten Kings Trail and distance is 440 kilometers. Sweden has highest mountain, Kebnekaise melt due to glacier melt of climate change. Pipping Longstreet Theatre has a children's hospital named after his story. Second, the Kyoto Protocol is related to which environmental issue? The greenhouse gas emission. The Kyoto Protocol was discussed with the greenhouse gases emission. An international treaty has commits industrial countries to reduce greenhouse gas emission because it has an extension of United Nations framework and climate affect drastically. Greenhouse gases affect drastically, therefore, a industrial countries to reduce an international treaty was done to reduce the greenhouse gases. Second, this was Kyoto Protocol adopted in 11 December 1997 in Kyoto, Japan. Therefore, these protocols are called Kyoto Protocols. Entered in force forcefully, it was entered in 16 February 2005 when after Russia ratified it meeting the 50% emission threshold. Objective care to reduce the emission of six major greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide gas increase, methane increases, nitrous oxide increases, hydrofluorocarbons increases, tetrafluorocarbons increases, and sulfur hexafluorotargets increases. These are the green gases which increases in the environment, and this protocol was followed to reduce these greenhouse gases. Sometimes targets are discussed 5.2% reduction below in 1990 level during first commitment. After, who is known as father of computers? The very important question. Babbage. Charles Babbage was called father of computer because full name Charles Babbage, born in 1626 December 1791 and died in 18 October 1871, and basically mathematicians and study in Cambridge University invented the first mechanical concept of computer. Therefore, it is called father of computer. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which of these countries? The correct India. Three important Tropic of Cancer. It is one of five major circles latitude that appears on the map of Earth. Arctic Circle around about 66 degree, Equator at 0 degree, and Tropic of Cancer 23 degree to 26 minutes south. And fourth one is Antarctic Circle 66 degree 34 second. These classifications are circles describe the changes of time and also weather conditions. Which desert is the largest in the world? According to definition of desert, Antarctica is largest desert in the world. Antarctica desert is the coldest desert. Antarctica is the coldest, windiest, and highest and desert continent on Earth. According to definition, area that with less precipitation, Sahara average precipitation 100 to 250 mm per year, and Antarctica is less than 55 mm per year. Therefore, Antarctica, according to definition, is a desert. The dry valley have not seen rain or snow for millions of years. They are kept ice-free by strong katabatic winds that evaporate any moisture. Blood Falls, a five-story waterfall in the dry valley that flows bright red due to iron-rich hypersaline water from subglacial lake. Iron-rich hypersaline water. Ice core drill in Antarctica provide climate records spanning 80, 800,000 years plus of CO2 levels in temperature. Summarizes Antarctica basically is a desert, has a coldest, windiest, and highest desert. Because why? a Antarctica desert because rainfall is less than 50 per year. And second desert is Sahara Desert, which rain capacity is 100 to 250 per year. The device used to measure blood pressure is called thermometer, sphygmomanometer, barometer, and stress. Correct answer, sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer is used for blood pressure. Is a device to measure the blood pressure, the force to blood against the wall of arteries and inflated and blood stop, and that pressure is also known low value. And when that releases the sound also produce veins are open and blood flow. That is high level of blood pressure. And these two values represent the blood pressure values. Basically, the word comes from Greek. Spigmos means pulse. Monometer means thin meter measure. Therefore, spigmomanometer is device used to measure the which is the thinnest layer of the earth, the crust. According to the thickness of the layers of earth, crust has 5 to 70 kilometer. The next step, mantle has 2,900. Then outer core 2200, then inner core is 1220. These is the average. These are the layers of the earth, and these are the average thicknesses of the layers. Yani, the smallest is crust, then next is outer core, then inner core and outer core, then mantle, then mantle is the highest layer, yeah, highest thickness of layer of earth. Thank you very much. Kindly share and subscribe my channel.